What's up, my good guys? So welcome to our channel Unipillar. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you very much, my good guys, for always coming back to watch our videos. Even the returning subscribers. Thank you very much, my good guys. So my good guys, Johannesburg was not good today. It was very windy since this morning. I wanted us to come and work at the back of the garden just to clean up this, but it had been so windy. So like right now, my good guys, we'll try, because it's no longer like in the morning. Let's try to remove this. The other thing that I wanted to do is to cut this tree. They've been here for so long, and then I asked my kids to cut this tree. It's like they are failing. It's like they are failing, and then I'll see if ever I can do something. Maybe the other day. No, don't make noise, baby. Don't make noise. Lower the volume. Yeah, you can play, but lower the volume. Okay. Maybe the other day we will cut that tree.
That is.
Yes, baby.
That is a.
I have to clean up this trash. Part of this tree that I wanted it to be removed here. I'll try to cut it by myself. Then we'll see what's gonna happen. As you know, when you just say, do this.
Got this.
They are not doing exactly what needs to be done. Bring the big plastic. Go to mommy and ask for the big plastic. Go. Just go. Go, baby. Hold the camera, baby. Just like this. Like this. see the plastic?
Yes.
Hey, not my good girl. My good girl is holding the camera for me.
Yes, Kaka.
Yay!
Yes, Dada.
We are working, baby. Oh, this wind.
Yes. This wind.
Mm-hmm. This is a mess.
Yo, sorry, Kaka.
Yes, baby. Welcome.
Yeah, this windy.
It's windy. But it's better than in the morning. In the morning it was worse. I got it, baby. Look. Can you see the plastic there?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
Let's work together, my good guys. We are being feeling by the big girl.
Yes.
The big girl is feeling me.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Kaka.
You are the star.
Yes.
Busy. Removing the trash. You see, we did it.
Yes. It's windy.
Yeah, it's windy. But we did it even though it's windy.
Yes.
My good guys, if you like this content, kindly like, subscribe and share the video. I thank you very much. You are always the best. Enjoy the beautiful sunset, my good guys. It's going down now.